everybody, welcome back. Hold on, let me put this in at the mount. Yes, so today we're going to buy kitchen appliances today. So you get to come along for the ride. We've been looking around for a little while. We've been going to different places and not exactly finding anything that's wowing us. We found things that we liked, but you know, not wow, like, oh yes, I definitely want this in my house. And then this company, they're from Kingston. They opened a store down here recently, Enersave. I actually found them. I was going through Instagram one day and I think they had an ad, and I found them. And then one day we were just driving past on the street and I saw the sign. That was the day that they were putting up the sign on the building, and I said, oh, that's the place from Kingston, because we had gone on their website and looked on stuff, and their stuff were more affordable than the prices for similar items that we were seeing in Montego Bay. So I messaged them on Instagram. Why made they catch me? I messaged them on Instagram, and I asked them, when is your mobile store gonna be open, and they gave me a date. And the morning, it was a Wednesday, I believe, and the Wednesday morning, by the time early we reached around there, and lo and behold, them have a fridge. So we were in between two different models. One had a feature that I wanted, and there was a particular feature that he wanted, but we weren't finding any fridges with the two features. And we're going to Enersave, go find our fridge, and lo and behold, it was bigger than the one that I liked, with the feature that I liked. That one, they didn't have it in such a big size. It was just 1 cubic foot smaller than the one that he liked. So it was a good trade-off, because it had the feature that he wanted and it had the feature that I wanted. So I'm gonna show you in the store. I'm not gonna show you what we bought, but you can look at the things in the store and guess what we bought. And of course, if you want to see what we bought, you should go ahead and hit subscribe and turn on your post notifications, so that when I upload our moving videos, I'm gonna have a whole moving series, because I'm pretty sure moving in is gonna take a while. So guys, well, hopefully it doesn't take a long while, but I know moving in is gonna take more than a day. It's not gonna be a one-day move, so I'm going to have a moving vlog series when that comes up. So yeah, hit subscribe and turn on your notifications. Driving out of the parking lot. What did you guess? Which fridge you think we'll buy? And the stove too. Well, there's only 2 stoves in the picture. Probably going to be easy for you to figure comment down below and tell me which one you think we buy. Alright guys, thank you so much for spending this time with me. If you made it this far, you're the real